Hana. Say good morning.
Parang mga bagong sunod. Mga tapon. Yung look kasi lang. Pag
Pinatayo ko lang sa baby. Nasusunod naman negative na. Ang experience na.
1, 2, 1, 2, 3, go.
Nasa maleta na.
12:30. Okay, 12:30. This is a new territory, 7,000 islands. Okay, so the biggest island is the airport. Okay, the Lantau Island, right? Okay, and then the 1,100 square kilometers only. Very small city. Okay, 7.3 million people. Okay, one of the densely populated city in the world. So you see Hong Kong people walk 3 times faster than you, right? Always busy, always in rush. We all live in a flat. You live in a house in front of me, right?
Yan, Abi. Yan, untay ka na. Ang ganda. Yes. Ang ganda, oh. Ang ganda, para picture lang. We're here. We have a city tour. Hong Kong city tour. Ang ganda, ma. Gusto sabi mo? Ang ganda, para picture lang.
Ganda, ganda dito.
Ganda dito. Ganda. Together daw, together. Ganda dito, guys. Para picture lang. Para picture lang dito, te. Ang ganda. Wow. Hi, baby. Oh no, iwan mo kami. Don't run.
Slowly. Yups.
Ma,
Di na.
say hi.
Hi.
Daddy. Ayaw magpakita kasi gusto yung solo sa kanya TikTok.
Kahapon. Di ka namin.
Turo yan na, turo.
Turo ang boat.
Turo po.
Look sa boat.
Gulo. Bawal, be, wag. Yung may dog, may mga dog.
Tagal na natin, ilang araw natin ginagamit ating mga sapatos. Pero basta wala.
Uber. You use Grab, right? Grab? Okay, Uber. Okay, Uber is illegal in Hong Kong. Yeah, because the taxi license mahal. So, Hong Kong, you see, this is another very, you know, the setting, okay, it's a feng shui. There's all those settings for feng shui. Okay, invite the feng shui master to do something change. So they build their golden statue. It's a general, it's a soldier. Keep the bad things away. Okay, so protection. So since then, Peninsula Hotel became one of the best hotels in the world. Okay, so you're facing the water, not by the mountain. Water in Chinese society means money. Water flow into home, money flow into home. Mountain at the back means somebody will always back you up, support. Okay, so feng shui. Okay, so every Hong Kong, you know, we have a strong British colonies image, but we have a strong Chinese character. Early morning, you go to some big park, you can see some elderly people exercise like Tai Chi. Okay, good exercise to the heart. knees, okay? After exercise, go home with a bath, bring on a lovely pet. You have dog, cats in your house?
Kasi
We're in
one
the industry
child policy
area, ladies and
na.
gentlemen.
Sa
We're going to
China,
visit one of
ngayon
the
train na.
largest jewelry factories. Okay, Hong Kong is one of the biggest exporting city in the world for
Yana, be hi!
on the ferry. Okay, and then you have a free time to take picture all around. Okay, and they have a Starbucks, they have a so they go to the market every day. Okay, but no fishermen. So important, okay, and for your friends or neighbor. So you like to give for your friends, for neighbors. You can have whichever get one. Inside this land is double price. Thank you.
Ma.
Sabi mo yung ano ay magigit ay magigit.
Right over there. CR right there.
To, tingin.
Hi mga babies! Ayun na nga mo picture. Picture na
Rock,
to.
rock, baby, rock.
Rock, baby, rock!
Kailangan ko ng trouser.
Usual girl. Galing naman ni baby.
Sasakay ka tayo dyan.
Sa ganyan po butter tax sila po.
Na tayo.
Baka po internet.
SMR. ASMR ka.
May time picture sa ibabaw.
Patunogin mo.
Ilang minutes din yun?
Is that yummy?
30 minutes din po ata yun.
Bye-bye.
Delete na tayo sa ano pupuntahan natin. Pag-uwi sa hotel.
Ay, 12:30 naman po tayo papasok.
Bukbang. What are you eating?
Tapos
Say mo na
alasin ko sa,
iniit mo nila.
yung kalahating oras na yun, nasa atin ako sa tayo pupunta.
What are you eating? So today, what are you eating, Yana? Paper.
Ilapit mo ang mouth mo. Ano ba yun? Baby, pati ka na nakaupo dito sa silver. Baby.
Lapit factory daw ng Nokia.
Mga lahat ang nandoon, kremi. Tsaka champoy.
Kagat. Yun,
Yung tindahan yung nakatago, may pupunta ka doon para bumili dito, mga turista lang.
Tama na.
Ay, pag-post mo nga naman eh.
Pwede kayo magkita ni baby.
Bagal.
Walo.
Nakakatawa daw dito.
Opo, palengke eh. Mas mura-mura po aris kaysa ata sa ladies, market? Magani ka?
Ay, mami, pwede na swimsuit.
Hannah, hi, what can you say? We train. We ride the train. Ayun. Can you say we ride the train? Is it fun? Riding. So good, right? So good. So good, right? Market. Anong tawag dito sa market na to? Kung na-videohan yung street kanina. Mangkok. Apa? Dali, sino? Pakita mo. Show.
Popeyes.
Burger
Layo ng malapit ng McDo.
3 minutes. Nakita ko na. Kanina.
5J115. Fried chicken sauce, mahal. Airplane mode na.
Sinisita ng vlog niya yung mga yan.
Yun niya, di naman yata yung nagtatrabaho dyan eh.
Hindi, mga taon na ba siya?
Hindi.
We're home. Thank you, Lord. Thank you, Lord. Hey guys, we're finally home. We're finally in the Philippines. I am currently in my room fixing things and nakauwi kami mga 2:30 a.m. ng January 10. And yun, fixing up kami ng bahay, ng mga gamit because it's a little messy. So ayan. Yeah! And bukas, Sunday, back to regular programming. Hatid namin si Nika sa Lipa. Then, start na ang preparation for anniversary ni Mami Daddy. Pero baka mauna pa yung vlog na yun. Ma-edit. If 27, 31 yung ano, mas mauna pa siyang ma-upload kesa sa trip na to. So, ayun.